Ayan.
So ano yan, Kurt?
Chef, this is our squid ink wheel.
Okay.
We particularly use this in our roasted scallop appetizer.
Ingredients natin dyan.
Ingredients natin dito, chef, is flour and squid ink liquid. And we add some butter, sugar, and salt for the taste. Our cooking temperature sa wheel natin, chef, is 155 roast and 10 minutes for the cooking time. So ito na, chef, yung ating wheel. Ready na siya for operation natin mamaya.
Good.